I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get a privacy report on your iPhone on Safari. So first, we're going to open up the Safari app. Then we're going to tap the icon right above the back button here. Then we're going to click the bottom right-hand corner 3 dots. Right here at the top, we'll tap Privacy Report, and this is going to show you a report of the trackers and things that are following you across different websites. You can see different things about the trackers on the current website and other websites that you visited, and the percentages of websites that tried to access trackers and things like that. Then you can look at the tab that says trackers specifically and know exactly what those trackers are. They're often things like Google for ads to understand what kind of things that you like so that they know what kind of ads to send you. You can click show more here at the top to find out more detail about what is tracking you and things like that. And you can also hide your IP address from these trackers if you want in your settings for Safari. So check out our video also on the channel for that.
If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.